If you have this one, you have the base and the exponential value. That means it will not use the value of y in here. The value of y in here will not be used. But in the case you haven't declared the exponential value, it will use this one as the example I explained in here. In this script, we will learn about how to use the optional argument for method in C# programming. So to do that, the first we will create some example. And in here, I will declare the integer variable p, which stands for power. So in here, we declare the integer p has the initial value from the method power. For example, here is 6. That is. So after that, we will show or display the value of p to the console by using a console dot write. And in here we will write power 6 and display the value of p like this. So as you know that power is a method, so we have to create the detail of this method. So we go outside the main method and we create. So we create a static and in, and we say power like this. And here we will declare the integer x and the integer y, which y has the initial value for 2, because we calculate the exponential expression, right? So that's why we will use 2. Okay, now is the time for we to create the detail. So to do that, first we will declare the variable of result to be in, and this value had the initial value for 1, and this one is the meaning this variable result. This means the result of multiply calculation, right? So the result of multiply calculation like this. So after that we will do multiply calculation. So to do that we will use the for loop, and with I has the value for 0, and then I is less than y, and I plus. And after that we will do for multiply. So we will use the variable and for x like this. So in here this mean result equal result multiply x like this. And after that, after the calculation, we have to return the value to the main method. So we will use return result, this one. So this means that the value of calculation result, the value of calculation result will be returned to main method. And so what is the meaning for the x and y? So to do that, we'll the meaning for x and y, the meaning of x and y. In here we will use that x to the power of y, like this. Or we can write in the mathematical format like x power y, like this. So this is about our program to calculate the exponential expression. So now let's see in here. So now let's run our program. Control F5 on the keyboard, and let's see what will happen. Now is the result for running the program. So you see that the result will show that power 6 is 36. Is this true? Right. So why is the result be like this? Because we have the 6, right? 6 to power of 2, right, of second, right, will be 36. This means 6 multiplied 6 will be 36. So why this happened like this? In here I would like to explain that in this program we call that optional argument, right? In this program we learn about optional argument. So this means that this method, we will notice that this method have only one value, right, for 6, but the outside here we create the detail. We have the 2 parameter. In here we have 2 parameter, and for the x parameter we declare this one, so that when we use one value which is 6, right? So if you send to be at here, and x will have the value for 6, and after that y will have the initial value for 2, right? So even you don't use you don't send the second value for the variable y, for the parameter y, so in that time it will use the value that already given. which is the 2, right? So in that case, if you use this one, and in the case like this, we call optional argument. And after that, if you do calculation, right, so this is the number 2, so 2 is replaced here, and this view calculation 6, right, 6 multiply 1, and after that multiply 6, so the result will be 36, and after that is send the result back so to the method in here, and that value will assign to the variable p, and we will display the variable of value of variable p to the console. And this is the first case. So I can say that so we can say that if we write p power, if we like this one, right, I can say that this one is say 6, right, 6 to the power of y, like this. And or we can say, or we can write in the format, in the mathematical format, like 6 power y, right? So it means that the value of y, the value of y will be used in this case. The value of y in the above method power will be used. For in this case, even we haven't declared in here. So the next we will see the second case for how to use the optional argument. For example, that I declare the integer p1 with the initial value from the method power, and in here I will declare the first value to be 3 and the second value to be 4, like this. And I will display the value of p1 to the console, like this, and I say p 3, 4, and here is p1, right, like this. So in this case, what will happen? In this case, it will be like this. The power 3, 4 is we will write 3 to the power to the power of 4, like this. Or we can write in the mathematical form like 3 exponent 4, like this. So in this case, it means that the value of y will not be used, like this. So it means that if you have the exponential value. The exponential value, if you not use the value of y in the above, and if you don't have or you don't declare the exponential value, if you use, and this 3 is the base for the exponential expression. So in the case like this, when the program land and you send the value 3 for x in here, but the value of y it will not be used. It will not be used because we already have it. So in the case like this, they call optional argument in C# programming. So now let's run our program to see that it is true or false for our explanation. So now you see that the result will be like this. It's true, right? Because 3 to the power of 4 is 81. This means you take 3 multiply 3 for 4 times. So it will be, the result will be 81, right? So that means it's correct. So in the case like this, they call optional argument.